If you do what I do and you personify your cognitive functions, you treat them as different characters within your mental questing party, and you learn to build rapport with those characters. So you treat them like people, you respect them, you ask them questions, you get curious about their perspective on life, their approach to life. Then you start to build more intrapersonal rapport. You start to build a higher sense of understanding of yourself, and also more respect for other people, because you start to see those other people and their struggles and the different characters within them, essentially, the different parts. We all have parts. You know, the part of you that wants to go to the gym, the part of you that wants to just stay home and watch TV, the part of you that wants to be more motivated and productive, the part of you that just wants to paint all day. We all have these parts. And the 8 cognitive functions personified cover most, if not all, domains of life. And I'm curious if you see any other different ones that don't fit within any of those. But anyway, if you respect those parts and you treat yourself better because you are appreciating those aspects of yourself, then self-development becomes so much easier. And it becomes fun, too. You can take these characters on adventures, you can ask them questions, you can role-play games with them, build characters for them. You can do so many different things just because of this perspective shift that has helped myself so much in my self-development and my business and family life, relationships. And it also has really helped my clients and customers as well within the Path of Heroes Academy and the I Now Feel Positive program too. We use that in there too. And whatever way you go about it, just give it a chance. Like pick one of the cognitive functions, be like, what's this kind of like? What kind of character would this be? Get to know them a little bit, create a visual for them, create a backstory for them, give them a little bit of personality, and then ask them questions. Like, what would you do in this situation? Like, I'm kind of struggling with this thing right now. What would you do? And you get a different, as Edward de Bono would call it, a thinking hat. You're getting a new lateral perspective shift that gives you more insights, it gives you more perspectives on different options, different pathways, different things that you can do, could do, might want to do, might not want to do. And that just helps clear the way forward. It doesn't give you the action, like you still need to do that yourself, but it does make it more visible. It makes it clearer on what you could do. And once you know what you could do and what you should do, then eventually it starts to heat up within you, and you're like, all right, fine, I'll do it. Once you get to that threshold level of something's got to change, it's got to be me, and it's got to be now, so I'll just do it. Then everything changes. So give it a try.